Hey everyone, Vinayak here. The Blue Yeti is the mic I generally use for all my recordings, be it podcast or video. But it's big, it needs to be powered, so lugging it around for on site recording, it's a lot bulky. I needed a easy to use, versatile mic. So here's the Rode Wireless Go, a compact wireless microphone system. Is it good? Watch on to find out. Here I have the Rode Wireless Go, a compact wireless mic system. Let's check out what we get in the box. You have this paper seal here that you pull open, but I'm going for the bottom where there's only a sticker. So you have a nice little carrying case so that your mics do not tumble around in your camera bag. An instruction manual, two dead cats as they are called, which generally are used to cut down on wind noise. Then we have a TRS 3.5 to 3.5 mm cable. Here's the transmitter and its companion receiver. The mics use USB-C to charge, which as most of our devices are now USB-C, we have one in spare even if you forget the mic's charging cable while traveling. We are provided with two cables, so that's a plus. You can use a power bank to charge the mics, which is great on the go, and they can run while charging. These things are quite small compared to most wireless mics. The Wireless Go transmitter and receiver are each 1.7 by 1.7 by 0.7 inches and weighs around 28 grams. This is the receiver. It has a small color display on top, a dB setting, and a link button. The set comes pre-paired, but if there are problems, you can use this button to link up the devices again. On the front, we have a power button and a turn away, the USB-C charging port, and a TRS 3.5 mm jack. On the color display, you can see the receiver battery level, the dB setting to the bottom left, and the sun symbol denotes the display brightness. Now on to the transmitter. Let's turn it on so that we have the pair connect. The transmitter works on a 2.4 GHz band and has a range of 250 feet. You can see the monitor levels changing on the receiver. The battery level of the transmitter is also displayed on the receiver, being the only screen for the two. The transmitter only has these two blue LEDs, the left indicating link status, which indicates that the devices are connected, and the other is the battery on-off state. Next to that is the built-in omnidirectional mic and a 3.5 mm input jack. Both the transmitter and receiver have a clip which Rode smartly designed to the right size so that it fits the flash mount or hot shoe. It's a tight fit on my Nikon Z6, but that just gives me the confidence it's not going to fall off that easily. Now that the receiver is on the camera and connected to the mic input port, we are ready to test. We can clip the mic onto our shirt, and when both devices are on, they connect automatically. The 2.4 GHz system is quite good and provides a range of 250 feet. So here I have the wireless transmitter. The receiver is on the camera itself, is directly connected to the microphone port inside. Let's see how far I can go before the sound actually stops recording. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm using a dead cat over here. This is supposed to remove wind noise. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this, if you have the receiver in line of sight, it should record well, but the more I turn away from it, more. It's still recording. Let's see. Let's check the full footage and we'll know exactly. As with most of our Wi-Fi routers, they run at 2.4 GHz, so there's a lot of chance for interference. But this device, with its ability to scan and shift channels to maintain the best signal, helps keep a strong connection between the transmitter and receiver. As I was saying, there's a lot of wind around, so this is the dead cat on the furry wind suppressor, which you can use to cut down on wind noise. So this is what it looks like, and it comes off quite easily. Want to know the difference between with this and this is how it is directly without this So wind suppressor. This is with the dead cat as it's called on it. The receiver has a gain button to change the gain between 0, -6 dB and -12 dB. The triangle on the lower left displays the settings selected. We can cycle between these settings by just clicking on the gain button. Being so small, they can be hidden away quite easily, and if you use a lav mic, the transmitter can be clipped onto your belt pocket. The omnidirectional mic on the transmitter works quite well.
This is the quality of the audio at -12 dB using the Rode Wireless Go. Let's check out the quality of the audio. This is the quality of the audio at -6 dB on the Rode Wireless Go. So let's check out the quality of the audio. This is the quality of the Rode Wireless Go at 0 dB. Let's check out the quality of the audio.
The furry windshields provided in the kits helps to keep the pops and growls down in the outdoor conditions. It clips on moderately easily, but we need to align the clips on both sides so that it has a good grip, else it will fall off easily. Takes a bit of practice, but it becomes second nature in a few hours. The brightness of the receiver display can be reduced by pushing the power button once. This helps with conserving the battery. Not that the battery life is bad in any way. The Wireless Go has internal lithium batteries which when charged completely can run for 7 hours of continuous use. I have not charged them yet and a month later I still have 30% battery left. But I use them for YouTube videos so I don't record for long hours. There are concerns by content creators that the batteries are non-replaceable. So the life of the product is limited as and when the batteries do die. What would happen then?
The Wireless Go is designed with vloggers and YouTubers in mind, so an easy to set up and on-the-go solution is what they have provided. The small size makes it easy to carry around and the 7-hour battery life is awesome for a device so small. The ability to use it while being charged is also great as we can power it with a small power bank and extend its recording time. I've been using it in my videos for almost a month now and I found that the flexibility it provides with me not requiring to sit in a certain spot or angle is a blessing. I've always have the receiver plugged in into the camera, so just power up, clip on the transmitter and shoot. The mic sounds great and the audio being part of the main camera audio, I don't need to sync with the separate audio track anymore. So if you're looking for a moderately affordable wireless solution, which is small enough to be packed in your travel bag, with great audio quality and has great battery life, the Rode Wireless Go ticks all the boxes. If you have any questions, do mail us at tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. So that's it from me. See you all next time.
Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.